Hey, Justin Labato here, outside of the Autogeek show car garage. And what we have here today is a vehicle that is what most will encounter in Florida and a lot of other states, a lot of bugs on the surface. So what we want to do is we want to bring to you the DP Bug and Tar Remover. Now, this stuff is phenomenal for DIY or professional in regards to safely, effectively, and immediately working and removing the bugs. But it doesn't just work on bugs. That's what I really like about it. It actually works on tar, sap, road grime, oil, and road film. So this is something that, like right behind your tires or anywhere where you may pick up some of that road tar, or just in general, some of those designated areas that pick up a lot more soiling on the road and the film on the road than you would normally occur. This stuff right here, this will peel it away. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. Basically, I have the front end of this vehicle where we have a tape line so we could give you a good 50-50. Now, we haven't done nothing to this vehicle. This is something that, you know, we have in the parking lot that would be a great candidate for this product and what it does and the benefits of it. So I'm going to go ahead and shake this product up, make sure it's mixed very well. And then I'm just going to go ahead and spray it on. Now, one thing I want to tell you is that as a peace of mind, this can go on, of course, paint, glass, chrome, headlights, so you don't have to worry about it damaging. You don't want to let it dry though. You want to be able to spray it on, agitate it, then rinse it off. So we're going to go ahead and do that. The nice thick layer of the product, the DP Bug and Tar Remover, now is on the vehicle. I'll get a little bit more on this spot right here. Now that it's on the vehicle, let it dwell for about 30 to 60 seconds. It is a fast acting formula, so it will quickly dissolve and remove the bugs. So now that we've let the product properly dwell for that 30 to 60 second time frame, you could take a bug sponge or a microfiber towel, whatever your preference is, and you're just gonna basically rub across the surface and lightly agitate. I'm not putting a lot of pressure, I'm just letting the sponge do the work for me. That way I don't have a lot of downward pressure, I'm not trying to create a whole lot of friction, but just enough agitation to basically lift the bug residue off the surface, since the DP Bug and Tar Remover chemically did the job for me. Got this nice pile up right here. I don't know what kind of bug that was, but see, slowly I just go over it, not a whole lot of pressure, and it's just slowly coming off. Now this one's pretty thick, so I could use the old fingernail trick to kind of get that off, and then boom. Now, I'll put my bug sponge back in my bucket, and then I'll go ahead and rinse. There you are, DP Bug and Tar Remover, treated, untreated. No matter what state you're in, if you get bugs on your vehicle, I highly recommend getting your hands on the DP Bug and Tar Remover. And anything else DP you may have interest in for the product lineup, visit autogeek.com.